What if I told you there's a real waterfall with a real flame burning behind it? And no, it's not CGI or a movie set. Hidden inside Chestnut Ridge Park in New York is a place called Eternal Flame Falls. Behind the flowing waterfall, a small crack in the rocks releases natural methane gas. When the gas is ignited, it creates a glowing flame that burns behind the falling water, one of the rarest natural sights on Earth. The flame can sometimes go out because of wind or water, but visitors often relight it. Scientists believe only a handful of places in the world have this unusual combination of a natural gas, seep, and a waterfall. Nature is full of surprises, and this might be one of its most incredible secrets. Backhand index pointing right, would you visit this hidden waterfall? Globe showing Europe, Africa fire. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mystic Facts and story for more unbelievable mysteries.